October 2nd, 2024. So, thank you September. Welcome October. Here we are. I'm gonna show you guys. There is a beautiful yellow bellflower here. I don't know if it is yellow bellflower, but the shape is just like a bell. And the color is yellow. So, anyway. So, this is it. This is at the back of the hotel. Wow! Ang bango-bango niya, guys! Grabe kaya. Wow, smells like candy. I really like this. I see a lot of here. I see a lot of buds here. Oh, look at that. Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. Wow. Hopefully I can find something that I can plant in the house. So ayun, guys. Look at that.